Good morning. So this morning I am investigating the correlation between reading and math scores of this data set. I started with my descriptive statistics. So I just run a descriptive statistics for each data set, the reading score and the math score. And just using the descriptive statistics, you can see that the data set has a positive correlation, that they are related to each other. And it supports the Pearson R that I had also calculated. The distributions are almost symmetrical. So from just that analysis, you can determine that if a student is going to score high on reading, will also score high on math, also score high on reading. I then run a t-test paired two sample for means and the t-test two sample assuming equal variations. The t-test paired two sample means gave me the Pearson correlation as well. And then to compare using the formulas within Excel, you can see up here on the bar that I used the Pearson. I clicked equal. I highlighted my both arrays data set, closed my parentheses, and I came out with 0.96, which shows that it's a positive correlation to 1. So you know that your data, it has a high correlation the closer the data set is to 1. Either positive or negative, the correlation, as it moves away from 1, it becomes a weaker correlation. This data set, based on the Pearson score, is showing that it has a positive correlation between the reading and math scores. And the assumption is that the students who are performing well in math also will perform well in reading. There's a strong positive linear correlation between the reading and math scores if you look at the scatter plot. I was unable to get the mean of the data on either score. I played around with it, trying to select the data that I wanted to put in there, and it just would not allow me. I calculated the mean and to put my line. So I'm making a mistake somewhere. I worked on it probably for about 45 minutes to an hour and could not get it to do that. But still, the scatter plot shows a strong positive correlation. Doing the t-test pair two sample for means, you can get your t-sat score as well. I then used the correlation formula and came up with the same number. So analyzing this data set many different ways, you come to the same conclusion that students who perform well on math most likely will perform well on